Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to the macroeconomics course. We wanted to know how to attempt quizzes and assignments. So last time we were discussing about how to attempt assignment. Now we will see how to attempt quizzes. So the first quiz has been launched, and from where it is going to be launched, how you will going to check it. Just click on the quiz one, which is GDP and inflation and instructions. Remember this, there are two major headings. One is the description, the other one is the instructions. So first read out the description. In description, the total number of MCQs which has been given, that is 20 MCQs, which you have to complete within 30 minutes. And two attempts has been given, and the highest marks of the attempt will going to be counted. So whatever is the highest marks you get it, whether it's the first attempt or the second attempt, you will get the marks. What chapters or the topics is being included? Remember this, you have to read out the complete chapter from the book of Menkev. That is the measuring nation's income. That's chapter number 23 from the principle of economics book, and measuring the cost of living. That's chapter number 24 from the book of principles of economics by Menkev. In instructions, remember this, before starting this quiz, you have to read out the instructions first. And if you wanted to begin your test, don't begin your test until you are comfortable with that and you have read out all the topics before attempting it, because you only have two attempts. So don't lose your attempt and don't waste your attempt. So kindly make sure that you complete your quiz within the allotted time, which is the 30 minutes in your case. Read questions carefully and submit your answers from multiple choice. There will be no extra attempt given in any case. It means if you lose your two attempts, then don't ask for the third attempt. Time allotted, which has already been explained, 30 minutes. And remember this, the timer will start once I click on begin. So 30 minutes will going to start. If you wanted to resume it for later, remember this, the timer will continue. The timer will continue. Okay, so you will lose that time, and if you are coming after 30 minutes, automatically it is going to be submitted, so you don't have to waste that time. This test allows multiple attempts. So two attempts has been given, which has been explained in the description. And once you start your test, that is going to be written over there also. Now the due date, remember this, the due date is November 11, 2020, and it's the midnight last time of that day, that is Wednesday. So you have 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to attempt this quiz. So make sure that you attempt it. So let's begin our test and see what we can see. The same description and instructions are given, but slightly there are a few things which you have to focus more, that this test has the 30 minutes limit. So the warning will going to appear. It's like a peep up time. So now half time, there's when there's a half time, like 15 minutes. So there's a one peep, and it's going to be appear a warning that the timing is 5 minutes remaining, then 1 minute, then 30 seconds remaining. So you will be notified time to time. So be careful with that. In multiple choice, two attempts has been given, and in this two attempts, this attempt is your number one attempt. So when you are on the next attempt, this is going to be changed from number one to number two. Important thing that the answers will going to be saved automatically, so you don't have to, every time you don't have to click on it. Remember this, whatever we are discussing, 2 minutes, almost 1 minute we have lost already. Now 28 minutes 50 seconds remaining. Another important thing is the question completion status. That is very, very important, because one question will going to appear at a time. So if you choose, for example, question number one and move forward to question number two, let's see what is the question number two. For example, this is the right answer for question number two, and you wanted to move on to question number three, and this looks a bit tricky, and then you don't want to attempt it right now, and now you're moving to question number 4, and you have attempted the question number 4. Now you wanted to go back to the question number which you have not attempted. How do you know this, which is left? So just click on question status. The one which is gray, you have already attempted, and one which is white is not attempted. So you can directly click on 3, and you can move on to question number 3 straight away. And this is how you will going to attempt the other question. So once it is going to be saved, remember this, the answer will going to save automatically. Now you can see that the status has been changed from white to gray. This is how you will going to attempt all the quizzes, and this is just an overview, and hopefully you have liked this video. And once you complete it, just submit your answer. And remember this, at the end of the time, this is going to be submitted automatically, even if you are not going to submit it later on. Thank you very much. We will be seeing you in another video of Asif ZRC. Thank you very much.